Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddstamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my November Create With Me club. This particular club uses the branching out stamp set. I'm going to flip my camera. I will show you all the stuff that you get in the club product kit and the cards that I'm going to make for this month. I'm pretty excited about this one. Alright, so I used the branching out stamp set and the bundle. And these dies are great. I'm going to pull these out, and they're probably kind of a mess, but so you get all these frames, which are beautiful, and then a pine cone and a branch and a big long stick with berries on it. And I will tell you that this is a great stamp set, even just as a standalone stamp set, just because of the frames. They're so fun to play with. All right, and then the stamp set is not Christmassy, but the cards that I made could be Christmas, or you can change them to whatever you want. And then I also used this embossing folder, which I can't remember the name of it, but I'll post it down in the link. You don't have to have that embossing folder. That's up to you. You can always use one that you have. All right, and so the kit this month is using this beautiful paper from Stampin' Up, this designer series paper. I will just show you quickly both sides. You will get a half a pack, so a half a pack of 12 by 12 paper, designer series paper. The kit will be, look at that one, beautiful. The kit will contain enough supplies to make 10 cards, 5 designs, 2 of each. Some of the products that you'll also need to complete them like I did is the shaded spruce ink, the early espresso ink, and I used the white craft ink from Stampin' Up, which comes as an uninked pad and then a refill. So kind of a fun technique I did with that. You get these beautiful shimmering snowflakes, which we're going to use. We're also going to use the cherry cobbler ink. That does not come in your kit, so that will be an add-on if you want to add on to that. Let me quickly show you the cards. So I love this one. So you get envelopes too for your cards. But this is just kind of a fun card technique. Just a different fun fold. We've got this one. You're also going to get a roll of the linen thread with your kit, because I used it on every project. And then, and the envelope for that one. And then this one uses the technique, I don't know if you can see that, but this is where I use some of that craft white ink and some sponging. So you'll also get a blending brush in your kit. This was really fun. And there's that embossing folder that I used. This one is really sparkly and shiny, and see if that earthen toned foil paper with the pine cones and then some embellishments in there. But that's one of the dies. So we'll use a lot of the dies. Then this one, I think this was my favorite one. I love this on the pool party with the different dies and a lot of blending. And then I love the inside. All right, so those are the cards for this month. Like I said, you get 10, you get enough products to make 10 cards, 2 of each design. So my Create With Me Club is a subscription, monthly subscription, but I also do it as a one-time, you want this kit, you pay $49. If you're part of the subscription, it's $45. If you do the subscription for 6 months, you get $25 in product from Stampin' Up as a surprise gift from me. Oh, what else? A PDF will go out, an email will go out with a video. I do a total video of each project, giving you tips and trips throughout. I hope I got it all. Anyway, if you're interested, go ahead and click on the link below, sign up, read more about it, and I will hope to see you in club. Take care and have a great day. Thanks.